On this episode of Tiny Home Adventure, Kicker Dog comes kiting. We catch an incredible sunrise. Some camera gear gets stolen. Ashley takes a proper kiteboarding lesson for the first time. We go skiing in the middle of summer. And we have a really big announcement. And more. After 2 years of building the expedition vehicle of our dreams from the ground up, the time has finally come to hit the road. Watch as Kicker, Ashley, and I push ourselves to our physical and emotional limits, put our relationship to the test, and overcome unforeseen obstacles. Our goal is to spread positivity while learning from some of the world's most inspiring people. Welcome to Season 3 of the Tiny Home Adventure. We woke up well before sunrise to try to catch the reflection on Mount Hood. We didn't expect this beautiful layer of steam coming off of Lake Trillium.
So peaceful out here. Oh, Kicker, you coming to give me love? Oh, he's gonna try to push me off. What are you doing, dude? Easy. Oh, he just wants to sit on my lap on the paddleboard. Oh, is that right? Is that right?
Later that afternoon, we headed back up to Mount Hood.
We are actually riding a chairlift in the middle of summer. It's like July 28th or something.
Yeah.
And it's beautiful. It's like 100 degrees in Hood River, so we tried to gain some elevation, get out of the heat. We had an amazing sunset ride off of Illumination, which is just behind us. And yeah, we're gonna go shred some lift access laps in the dead middle of summer.
So crazy.
So cool.
I'm excited.
Yeah, it looks really good.
After he broke his leg last winter, I feel like I got a lot better at skiing. It was really nice to get back out together and show off my new skills.
For me as a kid, all I wanted to do was spend summer camp snowboarding at Mount Hood, but we never had the money for it. This really feels like part of a childhood dream come true.
So that was super rad. We got to go ride up by Mount Hood, heading down back to the truck. We are going to a new spot and hopefully by a lake, get out of the heat. We still have 2 more days of crazy heat, so we're gonna post up somewhere, get some work done, and hang out by the lake. We spent the night in a parking lot, just like a regular parking lot, in hopes to wake up and shoot some sunrise drone shots. But it turns out someone left the drone and my 70-200 lens in the parking lot. And not only is it quite expensive, the gear loss, but the content we left. There were 2 shoots on the drone that were some really fantastic sunsets and shots that are now gone. So pretty frustrated, and hoping it turns up. We're doing everything we can to find it, to track it down, but if it doesn't, it's really frustrating.
Not much we can do now other than hope it turns out.
So I'm taking my first kiteboarding lesson today on a jet ski. So it'll be like taking me up farther from the sandbar where everyone else kites, so I can kind of get away from them. And I'm just really nervous about it. I don't want to disappoint the instructor if I'm not very good.
I'm so proud. I feel like I'm
first day to school.
I feel like I'm bringing my little baby to school. I'm gonna drop you off. Hope you make some friends.
Oh.
What's up, Brian? I'm dropping off my student.
Dude, I have no makeup on, I mean, no eyeshadow,
Oh,
no fishnet stockings.
you look beautiful. The feet could use some work though.
Right,
I know, I'm the worst teacher. I'm just like, you just do it and you do it right, and that's what you do.
Yeah, 'cause you're an intuitive. You
Just do it.
You grab something and you feel it and you do it.
Yeah,
There's a lot more to it.
dude, I'm so psyched that you're her instructor.
All day long.
I feel like a little kid at school.
Yeah, so what are these all about?
Two-way radio elements.
That's sick.
Yeah.
It's the way of the future, huh? So Ashley and Justin just bombed their way upwind on the jet ski, where the wind's a lot better. I'm gonna try and get up to them and check out their lesson, stay out of the way, see how it's going. Kiting, you need to be able to produce enough power with the kite to pull you up and out of the water. There's not too much power, and it pulls you downwind.
I'm so excited to finally have a proper kiting lesson. When I'm away from everyone else on the sandbar, I can actually focus on what I'm doing and everything just clicks. I'm totally hooked and I can't wait to keep progressing.
Every time I go out to kite, Kicker waits patiently on my board, hopeful he'll be able to join, and then follows me into the water.
I got the mark, yeah.
Today, I decided to take him with me.
You load up? Load up. Oh, man.
Kiting a stand-up paddleboard with a dog is not easy, but always fun. I recommend staying well within your skill set and ability level, and a life vest for your dog is a must in case anything were to happen. Look at those flappy ears.
So we're hanging out just outside of Hood River. Brandon Scheid gave me an early morning call to go speed fly. Never flown out here.
Little secret spot where you can get your speed fly on in the summer, get out of the westerly winds of the gorge a little bit, and get a little morning rip.
Yeah, man, I'm psyched. It's gonna be super fun. I'm gonna try and chase Brandon off.
My first time showing up to a new launch and trying a barrel run. Whew, I'm glad that went well.
Hi, Tree. Yeah!
Dude, so fun.
Yeah! So that was an absolutely crazy week. Follow up on the lost camera gear. It just got left behind before we drove to a campsite and somebody took it. We put out ads everywhere we possibly could. Facebook. Anyways, we put out ads everywhere we possibly could. Check the Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist.
Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist for weeks.
For weeks, and unfortunately, it never turned up. We were even offering a $700 reward. No big deal. Stuff happens. Thankfully, I had insurance. The bummer was losing all that footage. Dude, what are you doing? Anyways, Kicker's all worked up. He wants to hang out on our shoulders. Ashley's kite lesson went really well.
So well. I was so excited to finally get out, like, away from everybody where I could just focus on kiting and not focus on avoiding other people. And things just started to finally click. I got up a bit on the left side, still working on the right side, but it's starting to click finally, and it feels really good.
You're getting there. It's awesome. Like, riding in the summer at Mount Hood was like totally a dream come true. Like, so excited to be able to check that off the list, and it was just really fun to see Ashley's progression. Her skiing skills were like way better. She was like edging her turns and like really making it work.
I actually feel like when edging finally clicked for me was the run that Andrew broke his leg last season, but obviously I couldn't tell him that after he broke his leg.
You did tell me that. Paddleboarding with Kicker, that was such a beautiful morning. Like the steam on the lake. Kicker was like such a good boy. And yeah, I guess it's time to let you know about our special announcement. So I've been trying to get season 2 and 3 of the Tiny Home Adventure picked up by a network or some online on-demand entity. It just hasn't come to fruition. I've spent hundreds of hours talking with producers and trying to network and make that happen. But I've decided that honestly, if that were to happen, it would really change the series, and I don't think for the best. There'd be a lot more moving parts, a lot more like faked moments, and that's just not who we are. So I've decided that I want to work for my audience. I want to work for you guys versus working for the man. So that leads us to our Patreon. The Tiny Home Adventure series is completely unsponsored at the moment. We are just doing this to hopefully continue to be able to do it, to create some awesome, positive, exciting, inspiring content. So if you are interested in joining our team, join us on Patreon. We're giving away all kinds of cool stuff, t-shirts, special merch, one-on-one conversations. We're really trying to build some value for you. So make sure to check it out. That would be really awesome. And also this month, we're gonna give away a t-shirt to every single patron. If you even sign on at the $5 level, we'll be giving you a t-shirt in the mail. We hope you stick around on the team, but if not, you'll get a t-shirt for less than it costs for us to have sent to you. Also, if you're interested in just purchasing a t-shirt and not necessarily joining us on Patreon, you can click that link in the bio as well. They'll be available for a month and they'll all ship out all at once. So thank you all so much for watching our content, watching our videos, being here, part of our team, and lots and lots of love from Ashley, Kicker, and I.
Yeah.
Kicker, are you just such a cutie?
He's hiding.
Oh, my arm's getting tired. It's getting shaky.
And don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like the video, do all those fun things. That really helps us out in a way that doesn't cost any money. So we'd really appreciate it.
Yeah, that's amazing. Thank you. Lots of love, and see you on the next episode. Woohoo!